Hello, the Milnorum Duff here. Just got new parts in for the Mustang. I know engine tech. Okay, these are my pistons. Since, if you've been following. Oh. So if you've been following, you'd know that I needed a new piston in the number one piston because it broke. So this is what I ordered. I don't know, you can pause that there. Well, there you go. That's what I ordered. So hardware, or sorry, motor mounts, motor mount hardware, so the bolts and stuff. This is shipped in Engitech, so there is my con rod bearings. Yep. Okay. Whoa. These are okay, this I'm not going to pull them out of the box too much, but if you can see in there, those, oh here, we'll just get a better lighting. Piston rings. Alright, so put that back down there. There we go. Piston rings, so that's the whole set. That's all I needed on top of these. Oh, look at that. A hell of a lot better. And really, for 12 bucks a head, you can't argue. I am not arguing at all. Sure, there's like a little bit of shit that's on it from inside there, but there we go. That is 8 of those. There. You know, that box is empty. There you go. I'll even open up there. Just so everybody knows, oh, you did bought 1 or 2. No. I bought a set of 8 because, well, I want 8 pistons redone. This has been something I needed to be doing probably since the start. I should have checked it out. Oh, these get on the ground. Piston rings can go back in. There. Sit there. On right there. Now, I had that last week. So on the 11th, but they actually come on the 12th in the morning, which is fine. They're supposed to come in. They come in late. I don't really care. Then today, this stuff came in. I have no idea which one's which, but like always, get overwrap. Hey, wait a minute. That fucking engine tech box didn't give me a magnet. Fuckers. The one important thing I needed. My piston ring compressor. So there we go. Now I can actually do it. There we go. Piston ring compressor. And well, most piston rings go for not just one type of engine. They go for various sizes. Aha. That is your motor mount hardware bolt. Yep, that's one. Hardware mount, piston ring, compressor, and filter. That's what I got there. So this is a piston mount. That is not... Are you shitting me? What is this? Oh, no, not a piston mount. That is my transmission filter. And it should come with a transmission gasket for my C4. Sweet, there we go. Okay, and it's rubber, so it's not that cork shit. I had put a cork one on my 429 C6 transmission from the Thunderbird. Yeah, not a 429 transmission, C6 transmission. And it was cork. And it did. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a fucking gremlin. It's a Murphmobile, man. But green. You know what? Almost looks like the other ones there. So, there's a new one for me. Because I don't have that yet. One thing I do have yet. Oh yeah, I opened this package up because it was just paperwork that was... This is what was in there. That paperwork. And, holy shit, hey! It's my car. I have the Grand Prix. But is that... See, if you look really close on that side there, that's a GT, not a GTP. So, mine's better. Yeah. Yeah. That's cool. I've got one of mine on. One day I'll just submit some pictures with the Mustang. I'll see if I get mine in there. That'd be kind of cool. Garbage. There we go. There's the other side. That is what was needed. Alright, and these are just motor mounts. So this is engine side motor mounts. So, there we go. This here is hooked up to your engine. It bolts in like that. Then I have this. But I don't have the other half that, you know, the bolt goes through here. That doesn't fucking mount to the ground, so I don't know. On my car, it doesn't show that kind of mounts. Well, I'll find out. Okay, and well, okay. So let's check to see if this one is. That way we know. What the fuck? Okay. Here's how I have a fucking problem. These are not the same fucking mounts. They're not even close to, I like, sure, they may look close. This one weighs substantially more. I don't know, yeah, I'm in the right place. I like how this one's built. This looks nice. Seam welded and everything. Or this is just... It's rubber. There's fucking rubber in here. Okay, so if this is solid steel and that's rubber, this is going to have an offset vibration. Okay? And that's what I got. Two identical parts. This one comes out of here. That one comes out of there. That is not the fucking same. So I need two like this or two like this. Wait, that's rubber. I don't know. Would these holes even line up? Huh. Those holes don't line up. Which they don't. I don't want to send them back. I really don't want to fucking have mismatching and my thing is not fucking mounted right. So today has been a good day. I got some pizza today. I went to town. Got my parts when I come back. So pizza and parts, not a bad deal. So next will be putting those pistons, heads, and the fucking rings all together. Those mounts won't go on right yet, because I need these bolts. But first things first is I got to take the intake manifold and the heads off. Before then I have to even take off the rocker arms and go back the way they were. So pulled all that shit out, the push rods, you name it. I'll show you taking out the pistons, and we'll take a little inspect on what it is, the amount of damage. But for now, I'm just going to leave it at that, and that's where we're going at. Like, subscribe, comment, and like always, have a good one.